კომპანია PROBIO-ს წარმომადგენლები ვართ თათო ჯაფარიძე და ვლადიმერ ბარამაძე. ჩვენი კონცეფცია არის ფერმენტირებული რძის პროდუქტების სტარტერ კულტურების განვითარება.
ქართული ენდემური რაც თავარია, ჩვენი, რომლის წარმოებაც დღემდე არ არსებობდა.
ჩვენი მთავარი მესიჯები არის, რომ ზუსტი დროა იმისთვის, რომ იმ ადამიანებმა, ვისაც შეუძლიათ ამისი გაკეთება, დაიწყონ ამის კეთება. ეს არის ორი ცენტრალური მესიჯი ამ ამაში, იმიტომ რომ ეს არის მაღალ ტექნოლოგიური იდეა, რომლის განხორციელებასაც 2 წელიწადი კვლევითი ფაზა გქონდა და ეხლა უკვე გადავდივართ იმ ეტაპზე, რომ ამის წარმოებას ვიწყებთ.
2-3 დღის წინ ჩამოვიდი ინგლისიდან, პარასკევს ისევ იაპონიაში მივფრინავ, კოლაბორატორები ყავს იქაც და აუცილებლად ხა საქართველოზე გაჩერება რო გვინდოდეს აქ ავიქნებოდით.
Count to 2. Here comes PROBIO. Yay!
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I'm gonna thank you for your time for listening us for our project. I am going to present you production of fermented milk product starter cultures. Our team is like Tamara Japaridze. She is a PhD from Obihiro University and she is the head of research laboratory at Milk. Tamara, please say hello. And me, I am a PhD candidate at Julius Kuhn Institute and graduate from Dublin Institute of Technology and Oxford in generally food science. So what about we're going to talk? It's about Georgian mაწონი, and most of the Georgians, they know what is this product. This is like national fermented milk product, and it has unique bacterial composition, which is different from yogurt. It has unique taste and health beneficial effects. And this is the country where you have more sales of mაწონი than any other fermented milk products because there are no additives and no preservatives. What is the pain of the market is that there is no local production of commercial and unique strains of mაწონი. Market is saturated with imported starters and this results in higher prices, no consultancy and logistical problems. Regarding the regulation, Georgia has a free trade agreement, deep and comprehensive free trade agreement with you. And if you want to call it Georgian mაწონი, that it means that you need to have protected designation origin of the starter cultures. Otherwise, you can't call it mაწონი. Now, what is our innovation? Our innovation is firstly in technology because we had 2-year research grant project from Defense Threat Reduction Agency, USA, and we've been investigating how to develop the most cost-effective production technology for growing bacteria and freeze-drying them to have the highest survival rate of that. The timing is very important because this is the exact time in Georgia to start this production because we have experience and there is the pain in the market. Location of Georgia, Georgia has a long history with mაწონი production and there is not characterized pool of new strains which in future has to be investigated. What is our advantage in terms of competition is that we have cheap production, cheap starters, we have a production know-how, we will have commercial and unique strains when our competitors only provide commercial strains. Our delivery time and we will have a short delivery time and flexibility on quantities, and we have a consultancy on site, which is very important. As you know, in Georgia, we are lacking professionals in milk technology, and if we will provide consultancy to them, this is very important. Now, what is the market? Market is 15 million liters in Georgia. 75% of that is done with imported starters and 25% is done with locally produced starters. Total serviceable market is 100 tons, serviceable available market is 10 tons, and 100 kg is obtainable market. If we will look at EU population size, that is 900 million, and we can see what will be numbers when it goes to that level. Besides tasty fermentative milk product, in Japan there is growing demand on mაწoni's health beneficial effects. In 2012, company Fujiko has started production of such product, and it's called Kaspikai yogurt. We've been in Japan, we have a strong link with Hokkaido University, and 3 months ago we've been there and we discussed how we can collaborate in future. And there is a demand for these PDO starters, and we are going to tackle that problem. Now our competition is Danesco, Sasko. They are the biggest players on Georgian market. Their starter cultures is around 7,000 USD for kg, only commercial strains what they have. We can provide that for 4,000 USD. We are flexible on orders, and we can provide local consultancy, and we have also unique strains with PDO. Business model, I tried to make it as flat as possible, but the topic is not that easy. So we are planning to have strong R&D, where we will constantly elaborating on generating new IP portfolios and new fermentative mixtures. Presently, we have commercial strains which will be we will start scaled up production of that. We have preliminary agreements with Culinary Academy and Redix, and we have been in trials with them, and they like our product. So once we will launch the production, we have buyers, and our sales will be to Mაწoni producers, small and medium size, because we envision that with this fund it won't be possible to make a production where you can supply big producers. There we don't have such capacity for now. Our funds will be used 30% for R&D, creating IP portfolios. Capital investment will be around 30%, and production and execution and salaries, it's going to be 40% of the funds. We will achieve our break-even in 2017. It will be 8 kg of commercial starters, with selling 8 kg of commercial starters, and our financials, net profit of PROBIO will increase steadily, and we envision that in 2019 we're going to have 140,000 USD. Our NPV value is 241,000 and IRR is 81%. This is just what I wanted to tell you about this project, and I think that there is right time to start this, and we know how to do it. So that's our conclusion.
So your plan is to start in Georgia, but then to expand. Where do you think first? You mentioned European Union. You've had your meetings in Japan. Do you have a sense, any countries in particular that may be most interested or most attracted to?
First will be, I think, Japan, because there is already growing demand on this. And secondly, I think European Union. I've been studying in Germany for a long time, so I know that it will take some time before they will get used to this. But I think that
European Union is a very broad set of different cultures. Do you have a sense of any countries that are within the European Union that are more likely?
I think Germany will be the one. Yeah. I think Germany.
Well, that'll be important, because going to the European Union.
Yeah, I understand. This is general.
So we are American or from other countries, and I had never heard of Georgian Mაწoni. So, and the reason you feel it's important to have the local strains is partly because of entry into European Union markets. Do those countries know about this, and will they care?
No, it's not like entering to European markets. It's like that if you want to call this product Georgian Mაწoni, firstly, you need to have
would they care
PDO
about that?
strains. Yeah. Once you
do
have
they know
this,
it?
They know Greek yogurt. It is on the market, and they know yogurt.
Everybody knows Greek yogurt.
Yeah. So this is like same type of food, which is like Greek yogurt.
Let me ask the question differently.
Okay.
Let's say I live in Berlin.
Okay.
And I like yogurt.
Yeah.
And you start to market Georgian Mაწoni PROBIO because it has the PDO and it has a local origin. if I'm in Berlin, will I know what that means? Do I know what Georgian Mაწონი is?
No, you have to try, otherwise you
So
won't
you
know
have to
it.
you have to market it a great
but
deal
we are not
in another
produ-
country.
Yeah, we are not producing Mაწoni, we are producing starter
I
cultures.
understand that.
Then the producer has to make this marketing campaign
So
to raise awareness.
we don't really know what the market is for it outside of Georgia yet.
No,
Until those
yeah.
producers try to enter those markets.
Is
that right?
True of Greek
Yeah,
yogurt
that is
maybe
true,
4 years ago. Nobody knew Greek yogurt either.
Oh, more
Yeah,
than 4
correct.
years
Well,
ago.
whatever the time frame.
Decades,
So
but
you are going to sell to the local providers in
Yeah.
these countries. So who will do that in your company? Will you hire salespeople, or how will you do your sales?
Yeah, we will start active marketing campaign at Agricultural University of Georgia, and after that we will invite all these possible some buyers of our products, and we will start with these channels.
Yeah, Deborah's point is very
that-
important.
That is.
You know, and we talked about a little bit last week, farming versus hunting. You're selling culture, right? So you're going to
Yeah.
go to people that already use other kinds of similar products that will
And
now
they-
market the difference of this product to the existing products they sell.
Yeah.
So you're not hunting, you're
they-
farming through them.
yeah, and they
Yeah.
have to feel it's necessary.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that
That
is
was
the
my
point.
point.
So
Yeah.
why are you developing new strains? A new strain is going to taste different. It's not, so,
they taste
so
differently.
what-
They
so-
taste differently. Yeah.
So if what
And
you're
we
trying
are
to sell is the traditional flavor of Georgian yogurt, if you develop a new strain,
Okay.
that's something
Will it taste different?
even Georgians don't know about.
No, it depends on this. You know, there we have like two main lines. One is like commercial strains, and all that Matsonis which are sold now in Georgia, they are with that commercial strains. When we made our research, we found new strains which have different taste characteristics. So this is our niche in this, because with PDO you can have different tastes, and they will. It depends on the customers, you know.
Can you also, or have you determined, aside from taste, that maybe different health benefits, that maybe the core will provide some specific different health benefit?
That is research which is ongoing in Japan now.
Okay.
So that is the research which is going there.
Okay.
That's going to take a long
Can you
time.
supply, let's say, with all this new taste to existing Mაწoni producers?
Yeah, that is what we are trying to provide them with existing Mაწoni producers, and they say they can market their products, that we have this commercial Mაწoni, but we have also Mაწoni with unique strains, and it tastes different.
Can you sell only, let's say, technology without producing?
We tried it, but it's not that easy, because it needs good science in it to develop this, and afterwards I think there will be chance to exit from this.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
საშუალება მოგვეცა, რომ კარგი ფიდბექი მიგვეღო, ანუ დაგვენახა საერთაშორისო ბაზარზე როგორ ჩაჯდება ჩვენი პროდუქტი და ნახოთ გამარჯვებული.